The Discotom-100 can use 4 automatic cutting settings. Cutting sections of equal width, cutting sections of varying width, cutting sections based on travel relating to the X starting position, and finally select and move using the laser alignment tool. We will demonstrate the equal width mode. Firstly, select the automatic cutting method. Here you can then choose either a new method or a pre-saved method. The Discotom-100 can save as many as 20 preset methods. Again, mount the workpiece onto the X table, ensuring there is sufficient movement available. Once in place, select the cut-off wheel, in this case 50A30. The recommended RPM is set automatically but can be adjusted. The next step is to select the cutting mode, which is either direct cut or EXI-cut. In this case, we are using direct cut. We now set the feed rate. The feed rate is adjustable between 0.5 mm per second up to a maximum of 5 mm per second in increments of 0.05 mm. If unsure, we recommend starting at a lower feed rate, as this can be increased during the cut if necessary. Then select the multi-cut option, selecting the width of cut and the number of cuts required. Then we select the cut length. This can either be set using a value or using the automatic setting, which is controlled by a sensor on the motor detecting load. Once this drops sufficiently, the machine will stop. Once all of the settings have been made, we can make the cut. Firstly, lower the cut-off wheel into position. This is then locked in place. As you can see, the wheel is positioned to the back of the XY table. Cutting on the Y-axis is controlled by movement of the table. The head remains stationary. If you choose, you can set the Discotom-100 to make an initial cut to ensure a flat surface. The Discotom-100 will then make the required number of cuts. Once the cut is complete, you can clean away any debris using the cleaning gun or automatic axo wash. I hope you've enjoyed this whistle-stop introduction to the Discotom-100. For more information, please contact your local area sales manager.